ago, I posted a video on how I can make this maze better. And some of you commented, you said, make it bigger, make it tilt, and make it more challenging. All those are really good options, and I worked on making that happen. Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I designed the tilt base maze, some struggles along the way, and finally testing it out. The design for the maze was simple, but long. Once you have the parameters, you put in your start and finish points, put in the lines and pathways you want, and you're ready to extrude. Add the tilt levers and boolean together. For the base, you want a little bigger than the maze for room to tilt, add stopping points, and a ball in the middle to allow the tilt. At first, I was going to leave it square, but that's a lot of unnecessary material, so I made some adjustments and voila! A little preview now to get it printing. The first time we printed the base, I don't know what happened, but we made a few changes, and the second time around, it turned out very nice, which I'm grateful for because this print took 9 hours, and the maze took a little over 23 hours. Now that everything's printed, let's put it together. A close-up of the finished maze, what do you think? I did have some trouble getting the caps on, but with a little reinforcement, ta-da, I got it. And here's everything assembled. I could have had it inset more so it sat a little bit better, but lesson learned for the future. The start and finish points should have been the blue instead of teal, but I didn't think of that filament change at the time. My partner's next project video shows a way I could have done it after the fact, so stay tuned for that. Now let's solve this thing. We have our little metal ball here. Gonna put it in the start. And off we go. Which way do I want to go? Whoa, I guess I'm going this way. I know I designed this, but there's more than one way to complete it, so it's actually really fun to do. That's not gonna work. Oh, it's almost there. Almost. Almost. No. No. Well, that's kind of hard. Ta-da! And finished. You think you can beat it? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.